This question looks like it's asking us to test the ideas and see how this sentence would fit in with the rest of the paragraph. And we may need to consider that. But notice it's also about this graph. And anytime we have a graph question, we have two priorities, two things to test for. First, we want to test for accuracy. Does the sentence or the idea match with the data in the graph? If it does, then we need to think about relevance. Does the information that they want to include relate to the rest of the ideas in the paragraph? Now, you really need to do this in this order because accuracy is so much easier to test than relevance. Relevance is one of those things where maybe you have a different feeling. Maybe you feel the fact is irrelevant, and so you might have a hard time including a sentence that the SAT wants you to include. But accuracy, there's no subjectivity to it. If the numbers are wrong, the numbers are wrong. So let's look at the numbers first. At this point, the writer is considering adding the following sentence. In fact, according to the data presented in the table, physician assistants will likely outnumber physicians by 2025. Okay, so here's 2025. Physician assistants is right here, and physicians is right here. That's the percentage. We could also look at the raw number, and that doesn't seem true. Physician assistants is 42,000. Physicians is 216,000. That's a very big difference. There are way more physicians than there are physician assistants. So, is this accurate? No. So should we add it? No, we need to not include something that's factually wrong. So let's look at the two choices here. C, no, because it is not an accurate interpretation of the data. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Or D, no, because it introduces irrelevant information that interrupts the flow of the passage. I'm not even going to bother to check that because maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't care about relevance because accuracy comes first. That's really what C and D are about. The bigger problem is that it's just wrong. I don't care whether it relates because it's wrong. Accuracy is easier to test for and it matters more than relevancy. So always test for accuracy first.